Hi everyone. I just want to make a quick update on the condition of my plants, and also I'll finish the video up today with a pH test. We just had some rain last night, not a lot, but some. So I just wanted to test that pH again. I made a video about 2 weeks ago, about the damage of my plants, and you can see something like this. Looks like a burn hole. Some people say it looks like bug damage. Well, yes, there is some bug damage. I'll show you what the bug damage looks like. I think that looks like that's bug damage. It has kind of that lacy look right there. That's bug damage. That's Japanese beetles or whatever they are. Let me show you this plant. I think this is a weed. Try to keep the camera still this time. No guarantees on that though. Okay. So here, it really looks like something has been dripped on the plant. And this is, since I've noticed it anyways, this is 2 weeks old. I'm sure it's a little bit older than that. They just started to notice. But you can see it goes right through. It goes right through the plant. It seems like the plants have, we still have a lot of holes here in my hostas, but it seems like the plants are still kicking. If you go back and look on my other video, you'll remember me coming up to this plant, and it really looks like drips. Now, I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see that it's a hole right through this. And you can see even on the little weeds and things, just the holes burnt all the way through. This is what I really wanted to bring to everybody's attention. Again, please reference my first video I made, which is called Toxic Rain Killing Plants in Wisconsin. Just check on my channel. I'm going to be updating frequently, so if you want to see the updates, subscribe. Okay, now check this out. This is what I really wanted to show everybody. This foliage here has just been totally annihilated. This is probably after, well, I think about a week ago we had another big rain. If I back up you can see that better, but this whole thing is just burnt to a crisp. The tomatoes didn't look like they were growing. I don't know how other people's tomatoes are doing, but the tomatoes that were affected by the rain seemed almost like they were stunted. There's a couple of casualties here. The bugs are out. This is also interesting. There's damage from insects on some of these plants, but some of this is not. This is not insects. They're burn marks just straight through. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the bottled water here. There's a drop on it. I'll use a different one. Test the rainwater. I have filtered tap water. I'll test that. And I also put a coffee filter over a jar just so I could see if there's anything weird coming out of the rain. This is rainwater as well. So let's kind of see. Didn't look like I collected anything weird. Maybe just some little specks of dirt. I'll investigate this more, but it's kind of hard to see. But anyways, so I didn't really, excuse me, see anything weird on the coffee filter. Okay, coming back to this, the strip on the right is the filtered water, which neutral is 7. So, and neutral is greenish yellow. Anything less than that is acidic. Anything more than that is alkaline. So you can see that the filtered tap water is green, least acidic. The bottled water is more acidic than the filtered water, and the rainwater is the most acidic. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks. Bye. Have a great day.